Hey guys, it's Audrey from Sis Productions, and today I'm going to do an American Girl popcorn machine review. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the popcorn machine when it's out of its box. This is what it looks like with all the pieces. Starting down here, when you open the door, it has all of these accessories. There are 2 drinks, a salt shaker, it says salt, and has the holes in the shape of an S. This buttered popcorn butter, at the bottom it says theater style. It's cute. And then it has 2 boxes of candy. One is chewy fruit candy, and the other is gummy treats. So these all fit inside this compartment. Down here, you just put all of this stuff inside. And so yeah, I kind of put it in a certain way to save space, but it doesn't really take long, and they all fit the American Girls, so it works really nice. And then you just close up the drawer, and up here is the popcorn. So it has like the popcorn thing, and for this you will need batteries because of this light right there. And so right here, when you open it, it has all of this fake popcorn. It's really hard, but these 2 pieces aren't totally like stuck in. So they are in this shape, which is designed to fit here. So they both fit there so that you can take them out and put them in. On the side, it looks like there's this little knob, and it turns this little pot, and there's some fake popcorn in it. And then this button, I already have batteries in it. You put the batteries in the bottom. So you press it, and the light will turn on, and it makes popping noises. And then at the end it dings like it's done cooking. So then you open it up, take out the popcorn, and I keep these on top. They're the little popcorn buckets. And you put them in because they are designed to fit these. So squeeze in this one. Let me make sure it fits. And if you want to know where I got this, I got it at the American Girl store. So, okay, so that was the popcorn machine. On a scale from 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a 9. It was amazing, and I recommend you buying it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. That's all for now. Bye!